Stop scrolling for a moment. Let's talk about something powerful. Christian unity in a divided world. In 2025, it feels like society is more fragmented than ever, but the Bible calls us to something greater. Jesus prayed in John 17:21 that all believers may be one, just as He and the Father are one. This unity isn't about agreeing on every issue, but about loving one another deeply, even when we disagree. Imagine what could happen if we built bridges instead of walls, reaching out to people who think, look, or vote differently than us. When we choose understanding over judgment and compassion over conflict, we reflect God's love in real, practical ways. Unity doesn't mean uniformity. It means valuing each person as God does, embracing our differences while holding fast to our shared faith. Let's challenge ourselves to listen more, forgive quicker, and celebrate the beautiful diversity within the body of Christ. This is how we become the light the world desperately needs today and always. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more inspiration.